Gold and silver both traded bullish yesterday. I told you very specifically that silver trading about 2340 is going to give you a very good rise, and see what it has achieved. It has gone close to 2395 and it's still just shying of 24. So is it going to break it today? And likewise gold too has breached past 1980 levels, traded at around 1985 and now back to support levels. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also join my Telegram channel where you keep getting the daily updates and targets. So do not miss this. Links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end to listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now firstly let's have a look at the hourly chart. Now let's understand the behavior of gold here. See, after this sharp drop, consolidation, then this rally, then consolidation, then this rally, now again trying to consolidate. And see, after this move, see, it has to break past this zone in order to convert into bearishness, in order to signal bearishness, that is 1970 1965 levels. Till the time it stays above this zone, do not consider this as bearish. Now what it has done, see this rise and this retracement. So this is retracement. Once it breaks past 1985, the yesterday's high, certainly we are going to look at another rally, and this time we are directly going to look at 2000 levels. 1995 2000 is going to be a good resistance zone for silver. Gold possibly it can try to achieve that today itself if it stays above 1985. So just stay long above 1985, the stop loss. Now see, another move is it is trying to create base here at around 1977-78 levels. So see, lower highs, lower lows, and till 1975 we have to be watchful here. Till 1975 we will not recommend you to sell gold today. So this is also very clear. Yes, you can sell below 1975, however it has to break past successively 1970 and 65 level in order to confirm the bearishness. Now see, yesterday we have seen 1970 levels giving it a very stronger resistance. Multiple candles tried to breach past 1970 levels, failed to do so, and thus it is going to be another good support level for gold for the day. Now see, stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to reverse, trying to recover. The MACD is still in green, trying to diverge more. RSI is trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, this is a beauty here. The strong breakout candle, retracement candles are very small, which is cool down the indicator. This is a reversal sign, and again trying to reverse from here. Now this is the first candle. We can expect another couple or more greener candles which might take it further highs, and then we can expect 1990 1995, in fact 2000 levels should be seen today itself. So this is what we can see here on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic is slightly overbought. It has cooled down a bit. Now it can again resume the rally. Possibility exists for this. MACD on the other hand is still divergent. It's still bullish. It is still looking up. RSI is also looking up and showing a little strength here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. See, looking at 3-hour chart closely, see it is still trading in this bullish channel. So first it has to break past 19. See, another good zone is here at, because this is a channel highs, and we have seen gold trading in this channel for a little while now, since on the 3-hour charts, and hence you have to be watchful of 1987, 88, and in fact 1990 levels. So this is something you should watch out for. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness may prevail, taking it till towards 1995 2000 levels. Stochastic is slightly overbought. The MACD, on the other hand, is divergent, is bullish. It is looking upwards, which is a good sign. RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are now looking upwards. It is taking the support from the 50 period exponential moving average. And if you look at, see, these lines I have drawn on the daily charts also, and on the 4-hour charts also, these lines hold good. As I have told you many a times that, see, this is the rise, this is the consolidation zone, and precisely yesterday again it has respected the trend line on the downside. So these are very good support. Now for the day, 1960 levels are going to be the strongest support if it continues the rally on, if it continues the move on the downside. Now see, after giving you higher lows and breaking past. Now it is looking upwards. Possibly we might see at least these levels here, and hence you have to stay long once it stays above, till the time, rather I say till the time it stays above 1975, one can stay long, one can stay bullish, and hence uh, at the same time, see, 1985 is something you should watch out for. So in between, rather I'll say 1975 and 85, do not trade, and above 85 you can stay long for 1990, 1995, and 2000 levels will get achieved. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is divergent, is bullish, it is looking upwards. The RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Now, look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, same observation. See rise and then this flag, waiting for this flag to be breached, and then gold will be back into the bullish zone. Also, look at this. See green. First of all, three red candles, one green, red, green, and this time it is breached. Higher highs are seen here. And see one more point, higher lows, higher highs, which means 1990 levels. So certainly these levels, as I said, you should be watchful of. However, I think these might get breached. One green candle after the red, there is a possibility, strong possibility of a second green candle. At least 1990, 1995 levels should get reached today itself. Now see 1990s, another good resistance here, which is also multiple candles we have seen closing or getting resistance at, and hence it may try to achieve these levels sooner or later today. Stochastic looking up. The MACD is still not crossed over, and it is still trying to trade with very little divergence right now. Yes, there is a crossover which I am waiting for. If it does, certainly bearishness may prevail. RSI has dropped a bit. It was trading overbought and now is trading at comfortable levels. So considering this for the day, you can buy at 85 and then expect 1990 very very strong resistance, and till 2000 levels. Yes, we may see these levels again. Possibility exists for this. We can see another round of good bullish move, and you have to be watchful of 1990 specifically. And even if you see it retracing till 1975, you can try to initiate a buy entry there. But at the same time, below 1975, there is a sell opportunity. You can sell there. Expect 70, 65 as a very, very good support. Only bearish confirmation, only reversal confirmation is if you see gold trading below 1960 levels today. Till the time it stays above 1960, do not consider this as bearish. It is going to bounce back, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. If you are taking a sell and trade 1975, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. So see, silver on the hourly charts 23.95 is done. I'll be looking forward for it to breach past 24, which is a very very good resistance level, and we have been tracking this since long. And I told you at 22 also that see silver trades in a $2 block, and previously we have seen 20 or 20 to 22. Now it is trading in 22 to 24, and hence about 22 24 is the target. It has gone close to it. Possibly today it might try to hit those levels. I will just wait for it to break past 23.95, stay long about 23.90, and the target should be 24.10, 24.20 levels, which is a good resistance level. And beyond 24.20 also, it can show you further strength. Now, what is happening on the hourly charts is, so far we had seen higher lows, lower highs. Let it break past the previous highs, and certainly more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge crossover. It is still green, and this is at a comfortable levels here. It can still further diverge more. RSI has dropped also from the overbought levels. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, still bullish. See the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are trading with divergence, and it is taken the support from these averages always, and you can find out 23.70 levels and 23.40 levels are a very good support for the day. Now look at the 2-hour charts here too. See lower highs, flat top. Hence you have to wait a little till 23.95, and beyond which certainly we can expect 24.10, 24.20. In fact, we can see it trading further till towards 24.40 levels. Stochastic is overbought. That is one observation which is of slight concern. However, it can cool it down with just slight retracement. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. The candle size have flattened here. That is something I am observing, which is indicating of the diminishing bullishness. The RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts closely. See, we had seen that 2340 as a very good resistance level, and since then we had seen a good rally. Now it is trying to break on the upside. Certainly I will be looking forward for 24, at least beyond 24 we can see we are looking at 2420 levels, 2440 levels, and these levels also can get achieved if it stays about 2395 and 24. Certainly we can see now, see in the past you can see this 24 levels provided a good resistance, and now it is again trying to look upwards and show a little strength and show you complete recovery. So be watchful of the yesterday's highs 2395, and certainly one can stay long. But look at the stochastic. This is trading extremely overbought, and hence it can either trade with diminishing bullishness, or we can see very little movement before it tries to rally. So this is something you should watch out for. The MACD here is divergent bullish looking upwards. That is good sign. RSI is again back to overbought. Now see, since silver is trading overbought, here possibility for it to retrace a little cannot be denied. However, till it stays above 2340, will not consider this as bearish. And see this, after this strong bullish candle, it is still trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel are a little far away at 2420 and plus levels, and the bottom is there a little below. You can find out now 2340 is going to be the support for the day. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here too you can find out, see the diminishing bullishness. You can find out the candle size decreasing. It indicates that the bullishness is getting diminished. At the same time, see the highs here, the highs are almost at the same levels at 2395, and hence beyond which you can expect it to hit 2420 levels. So it is trying to consolidate. Also look at this 2360 is a base which it is trying to trade with. So first thing is, we have got very good supports here till 2360, only below which you can expect a further retracement into 2340 levels. Till that time it stays about 2360. I will not be recommending you sell. However, those who want to trade a little can take it at 2370. However, 2360 is the level below which a little more bearishness will prevail. Till that time, there is a possibility of a retracement. The stochastic is looking up. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is again back to overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, higher lows, and it is again traded bullish, and see this good bullish candle yesterday, and it is trading in this channel. The highs are little nearer at 2420 level. So possibility of a swing edges 2370 you should watch out for, only below which you can sell, and then on the upside 2395 you can buy, beyond which 2410 2420 levels, 2410 2420 zone is going to provide a little resistance to silver. And yes, 24 is the level which I am looking forward for it to break past by. See in past, this is the daily charts, how many candles got the resistance at $24 levels, and this is why 2450 is a very important zone for silver, staying above which targets are at $26 and beyond. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is bullish here, divergent. RSI is overbought. Another important point is most of the indicators are trading overbought, hence a little retracement. Now see, cannot be denied, and see what it has done. Lower highs are seen here. It is trying to retrace, and possibly below 2370 you can expect a little drop till towards 2360 2340 levels. So you can sell there, but be cautious till 2340. Do not consider this as bearish till then. Also on the upside, as I said, again I am not going to revise the levels. Yes, 2395 you can buy and expect it to hit 2410 2420 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.